Still don't know what sparked that Marshall fire, by the way, but now Xcel Energy is asking a judge to dismiss a lawsuit that claims utility lines may have been responsible. That fire last December destroyed more than 1,000 homes and businesses. Our investigator, Xcel Energy, has obtained Xcel's court filing in this matter. So, Rick, why does the company say the suit should be tossed out?
Well, Jim, there are 17 pages of reasons here. We should point out the company has consistently said its utility lines did not start this fire. But in this motion, they say even if they did in 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts, well, that would be considered an act of God for which they're not liable. Video taken by Edward Harrell during the fire and posted to YouTube shows power lines sparking.
We've got power lines going down.
Oh! When Xcel responds, the footage does not show those sparks ignited the fire. In fact, the utility claims it was already a blaze of massive size and started elsewhere. Attorney James Avery filed the lawsuit and previously said there are others who saw the fire begin.
We have eyewitnesses that say they saw the fire start underneath those lines. We have eyewitnesses that saw those lines apparently damaged and being repaired within the days after the fire.
The lawsuit is on behalf of some fire victims. It reads plaintiffs are among those terrorized and damaged by the Marshall fire. But in this request for dismissal, Xcel states even if proven true, they would not establish negligent conduct on the company's part in maintaining or operating its lines.
You would then have to prove that Xcel was negligent on this day where we had hurricane force winds, 100-mile-an-hour winds blowing. You'd have to prove that Xcel knew those power lines were down and they didn't get out there in time to fix them.
While utility lines have been looked at, so too has an underground coal mine fire and a nearby religious group's burning practices. But investigators have still not named a cause. We spoke to the owner of this gas station who said there is a witness who saw the fire actually begin because of the utility lines. We also were in touch with Xcel today, which said it has nothing to add in addition to this new filing. In Boulder County, Xcel Energy covering Colorado First.